So guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is 202 number video out of 2000 video challenge series. So 201 number video complete, 200 number video complete, 201 number video complete. Right now this is 202 number video. So in this video what I am sharing that from 0 to 201 number video, the journey which I complete. So in this journey, what I learned, what I face challenges, what I learned new things that I want to share to you. In our traffic, there are a lot of honking. I think they train to honking to get the driving license. Okay, so come to the matter. So the learning, the problem which I faced during this journey from 0 to 201 number video I complete, and this is 202 number video. So the main thing is that what I learned, that is you have to push yourself. When the result does not come, in spite of that you have to push yourself to go forward. First. Second, if you want to start something, so first you think, do you have passion to work this thing which you wanted to start, which you want to start? So you have to first find out that you have passion on that work or not. If you have passion, so you can start this. And second thing is that after starting the work, you do not get result. Even I do not get the result. I complete 200 videos, still I do not get enough result. So after starting your work, so initial time you do not get results. So even if you do not get results, you have to work continue without getting results. So do you have this mindset or not? And the most important thing is that the result. Do not focus on the result. Only focus the work, only focus how much effort you put into your work. So all these of things I faced, I learned, and I implement in my work. And main thing is that patience. Patience is very important thing. You must have patience. Without patience you cannot do this. You cannot continue this. And during this journey, one more thing is built in me, that is consistency, that is habit. The same thing I have to do every single day. So this right now is my habit, is part of my life. So I have to record video, I have to make video, edit and then upload. So I came to office, I took 5 minutes break. So during this time I am recording this video, and after completing my shift I will edit the video and will upload the video in my channel. So this is my experience that I just wanted to share to you. I shared to you right now. So but it's not an easy thing. Consistency is not an easy thing. The same thing you have to do every single day, even if you do not feeling good, if you do not get result, if you do not get time, any kind of issues you face right now, whatever it is, you have to do the same thing every single day. That is called consistency, that is called discipline. So that is the most tough thing in this world. So right now I'm doing this, I'm experiencing this, because 2000 days, it's more than 5 years, it's a long journey. Right now I just complete 200 days. It's not a small thing, it's not a big thing, but I complete 200 days. It's not an easy thing, but not an impossible thing. And I believe that I can complete 2000 days. I believe myself that I can complete 2000 days. So that's just I wanted to share to you. So my channel name is Mr. Bharat, MRBHARAT without space. If you write it down in search section in YouTube, so you will get this channel. You can watch the video which I am uploading. So before starting any kind of work, first you have to decide you have passion. Can you continue the work without getting result? Can you do the same thing every single day? Do you have patience? Can you work without looking at the result? So question these things, then answer it, then you decide will you start the work or not. So that I wanted to share to you. So thank you so much that you are investing your time, and see you in next video. So bye bye, tata, have a nice beautiful morning.